You know, for cook, come let me show you how to make this. So first step, we're gonna go ahead and get some coconut oil here, right? Yes, this is coconut oil here. And then immediately, we're gonna go in with our garlic. Now we're gonna get that a nice little quick saute here. And you wanna make sure you do this on medium heat. So once you get that all sauteed up, you start sweating them out, getting all that flavor out, we're gonna go ahead and add our yellow onions. Or should I say red onions, sorry. Or they're also called purple onions. Oh man. But anyways, we're gonna saute up this real nicely now. You see how everything's sweating down? That's what we want, right? Like this is gonna come together so quickly. Alright. Now while that's doing its thing, I have some peeled and deveined shrimps here. Right, these are some jumbo ones, and we're just gonna hit it with some garlic and herb seasoning, right? Just gonna give this a nice little generous serving here. Alright. Oh, one fell in the pot already. And we can add just a little bit more on that. I wanna coat these real nice, right? Alright. So now, let's move this over to the side here. And then we're gonna go right in with these. You wanna get a nice sear on these, right? And as you see here, these are some really huge ones, right? And we're using a lot here. So you might not see so much, but so once it starts changing color on one side, you can go ahead and give them a little flick here. Because we don't want these to start overcooking, right? Alright. Now we're just gonna get this about another minute or so. We're gonna get this about another minute on this side, and then we're gonna finish up, add the rest of our ingredients, and time to add the pasta, right? So these looking good right here. We're just gonna mix all this up here. Alright. That's what we're looking for. Now we're gonna go ahead and deglaze with a little bit of white wine here. Oh, that smells amazing right now, you know? Alright. And let's go in for a little bit of butter here also, right? And if you look over here, we have some fettuccine here that have been boiling. All you gotta do is just follow the instructions on the box, right? And we're just gonna go ahead and start adding some of this directly in here. Now you could go ahead and strain this ahead of time, but sometimes I just do it this way because it's popping a little bit. Yeah, you can get a little bit of the pot water with it, right? Add to the sauce. So let's go ahead and check that. yeah, that definitely probably can use some more. Let's look at more shrimps and noodles. What you think? You think I should add a little bit more to that? Yeah. Queen said we should add a little bit more, so let's go ahead and add a little bit more here, right? Alright, we should be just about good right there. And last but not least, I'm gonna add just a little bit of jerk spice here. And that's just gonna brighten up them flavors just a little bit more, right? Don't wanna overdo it, just a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and get all this mixed up here. Alright. And this looks done right here. So I guess it's time to plate up. Alright, so let's go ahead and serve that up. Someone's gonna be one lucky girl tonight. And just to go ahead and keep it just a little fancy, let's go ahead and eat it with the parm. And we're gonna go ever so lightly with this because we don't want to overpower the flavors, right? Just like that. That's how you do it. All right, so let's see how we did. Nice, simple, just some garlic and red onions. That jerk seasoning give it just a nice bit of spice on the back end. You know that garlic and herb always gonna hit, right? Look at them shrimp. Give this a try.
This is dangerous. Stop.